Yes,
Okay,
sir, taken.
okay. Let us move
Yes,
ahead
sir.
and go for one more complexity in our observation. Okay. Now it will become complex. This was the simple stuffs, what you should understand. Now I'll be moving ahead in the formats which are somewhat difficult to understand. Look, what if point A is positioned over here? I'll be noting all details in this one. Okay, so wait for the detail presentation of details. I'll be having 2 points. The point one is, let me drop those details so that you can understand, and use the arrow so that you can be having a clear idea in your mind. This one is for point one. Now let me use other color for second presentation, and this one is for point two. Okay, now let me note those points. This point is A and this point is B. So which line we are expressing right now? Line AB. Okay, but the data what we have represented is going to be different than the previous ones. Here I am going to say point A is 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of BP. This is for point A. Let me mention it over here also. Point A is 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of BP. This is data for point A. Now let me mention data for point B. Point B is 30 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of BP. 30 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of BP. So what is going to happen now? Let us see what is going to happen. Let me project that line so that we are having clear understanding about that. This is the line what we want to represent. Here we are going to have its projection. So this is going to be the point A dash, and here we are going to have the point B, B's elevation. So this is going to be B dash, and when I join it, it is going to be presented like this. Now let me ask you a question. Whether capital AB, माने line AB is going to have same length which is A dash B dash will contain AB और A dash B dash दोनों का जो length है वो equal रहेगा या different रहेगा? What you can say?
Equal.
इक्वल
Equal.
रहेगा.
Equal.
इक्वल
Why?
रहेगा.
Why
Equal.
it is equal? If you can express.
Because of projection.
B dash is the image of AB, sir.
Okay, let me give you details so that you can use data to identify this stuff. If you can unmute yourself because we are getting disturbance. I think okay. Parts microphone is giving some disturbance. That's okay. Now let me express that one. Okay. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Look over here. 10 mm in front of VP. Point A is also 10 mm in front of VP. Point B is also 10 mm in front of VP. So you can say these particular points, when they are joined, are going to be parallel to vertical plane. If the data was mentioned like this, point A is 10 mm above HP, 10 mm in front of VP, point B is 30 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. In that case, point B is not going to be AB is not going to be parallel to the vertical plane. तब वो align हो जाएगा. Let me show that one also to you. If I am noting the third point C over here, I hope you are able to see it now. Point C is presented over here. And for point C, the data what I use is going to be expressed like this. This is the point C. Okay, green point is point C. And for this point, I'm indicating the data that point C is going to be 30 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So now this particular line is going to be aligned to the vertical plane also. It is already inclined to horizontal plane and it is going to be inclined to vertical plane. I hope you are understanding this one. तो अब
Yes,
ये
sir.
जो लाइन AC बन रहा है that is not going to be parallel to either HP और VP. HP VP दोनों में से एक से भी वो parallel नहीं है. अब उसका कंडीशन कैसा है? वो HP से भी कोई एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहा है और VP से भी कोई एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहा है. जबकि जब AB को ऑब्जर्व करते हैं तो वहां पे कंडीशन कैसा है? लाइन AB इज इंक्लाइन टू हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन बट इट इज पैरेलल टू वर्टिकल प्लेन. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन. अगर मैं रेफरेंस से पैरेलल एक लाइन कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दूं और AB को ऑब्जर्व करूं तो आई एम गोइंग टू हैव द एक्सप्रेशन लाइक दिस. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द अलाइनमेंट. लेट मी यूज द थिन लाइन सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. ये जो है वो अलाइनमेंट इंडिकेट कर रहा है. ओके, so this is going to be theta. So line AB is inclined to HP but parallel to VP. That was the case for AB. And for AC, what is going to happen? It is inclined to HP and VP both. Why? Because it is 30 mm. Okay. I hope you are able to understand. कोई query है यहाँ पे?
No, sir.
Okay, good, good, good. Okay, let me express it separately so that while drafting the projections you are going to be able to identify the differences. Let me drop the two-dimensional figure of it. तो ये रहेगा हमारा plane, ये रहेगा हमारा reference, and when I want to drop a point A, then where it is going to be situated? It is going to be over here somewhere. When I want to drop a point B, then where it is going to be situated? Let me use same color for this one. Okay, let me use the colors which I have plotted over here so that you can have identification in your mind. This is going to be point A. This is going to be point B. Okay. So what is going to happen? When I see AB over here, this is going to be its projection. Okay. When I drop its projection in top view, तो टॉप व्यू में उसका प्रोजेक्शन कैसे मिलने वाला है? लेट मी यूज ब्लैक कलर फॉर दैट वन. विक्टिंग लाइन. So this is going to be position of A and this is going to be position of point B. They are going to be on a single line. Okay, this is for AB. Okay, let me note that one also so that you can understand A and B. And the presentation what I have drafted is in vertical plane A dash and B dash. And when I see same in top view, let me use same colors what I have up over here, red and green for AB. So I'm going to have A over here and B over here. Okay, so ये रहा projection. Whenever your line is parallel to vertical plane, it is going to be parallel to reference in a plan. Let me note this also so that you can. This is going to be called plan. This is going to be called elevation or front view. Okay. Now let us discuss about C, where you are going to find point C. Point C is in green color. So I'll be just dropping it over here. Whenever you will see the position of C, it is going to be over here somewhere at the same position where you have found B dash. So here you are going to have C dash. And in top view, as we are aware that now it is not parallel to vertical plane, so this line is going to be plotted like this. Let me use black color for that. This is going to be C. Okay, and we are using green color for that, so let me use that one. This is going to be C. Okay, जो blue में था वो B था, green में दिख रहा है, that is C, point C. And we are indicating plan over here, so I just have to plot it as small c, c dash and c. Is it going to be on same line? Yes, it is going to be on same vertical reference. उसी vertical reference पे ये रहने वाला है. Is it clear? आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is somewhat difficult to understand, but if you'll, just go through the memories of projection transfer, what we have discussed in this session, you are going to identify this one. Okay? अब इसे आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे? आप ये डिटेल कैसे समझना है, वो अगर आपका कंसिडरेशन है तो आप ऑब्जर्व करिए. व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड for point A, it is 10 mm above HP, 10 mm in front of VP. Now let me show you the notation so that you can clearly have the configuration in your mind. So when I say it is 10 mm above HP, it is going to be presented over here. When I say it is 10 mm in front of VP, it is going to be presented over here. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
10 mm above HP. Means I will not have that much possibilities of presenting details over here. So just have the look over here. So 10 mm above is going to be presented over here. 10 mm in front of VP. I'm just placing INF. In front of VP is going to be presented over here. For B, what I have noted, point B is 30 mm above HP. So this is the criteria, 30 mm above HP, and it is 10 mm in front of VP. So this is going to be 30 mm for plotting of B dash, and this is going to be 10 mm. Okay. And for point C, what I have noted, point C is 30 mm above HP, same position what we have referred for B, and 30 mm in front of VP. So this particular position of C is going to be like this. In front of VP is going to be plotted over here. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can capture the screen. Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Let us move ahead for another difficulty. Now I hope you are clear. When I say point is above HP in front of VP, the configuration is going to look like this. If anybody wants to ask any question, they can ask. Okay. I think everybody is clear now. If you are clear, just place yes in the chat box. If
Yes,
you are
sir.
not clear, write no in the chat box, or okay, okay. I have got multiple yes over here. Okay. Let me ask. Whoever is not clear, just drop not NC or not clear, so that I can concentrate on doubt of yours. क्योंकि अगर ये आ गया आपको, ये सही से आ गया आपको, तो आप कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर पाओगे. आई थिंक निकित इज नॉट क्लियर. कैन यू अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ, निकित?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where you found exact query that I am not able to understand this one?
About C
About
elevation.
C's elevation. Is it so? C's elevation.
Hmm.
That is C dash, indication of C dash.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. So let me go for that particular doubt only. Okay. I hope you are able to see the things now. Let me clear this one so that we can have a clear idea about that. Okay, these things are clear now. Okay. So are you able to understand about A? You can
Oh,
keep,
yes, sir.
okay, you can keep unmute yourself. Okay, that's okay. Whenever I ask question, if you are comfortable, just answer those questions so that we can exactly find where your doubt is left. Okay, so let us move ahead. Point A is there.
Yes,
We
sir.
are saying that it is 10 mm above HP
Hmm.
and 10 mm in front of VP. I hope you are able to understand that one.
Yes.
Okay, okay, let us move ahead. I'm dropping a point C over here, and for C I am saying that it is 30 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, let me drop that one so that we can be clear, more clear about that. Okay, so this is the projection, and we are having point C's elevation over here in terms of C dash. Okay, so point C is 30 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, now let me ask you a question. When I drop AC's projection on vertical plane, then where would I going to find C dash? C dash मुझे कहाँ पे मिलेगा? माने रेफरेंस से 30 mm ऊपर नीचे वैसा कुछ अगर जो आपके दिमाग में आता है तो कहाँ पे मिलेगा? 30 mm above. Is it so? Hello, hello, Nikhil. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
look, what I want to say. Where I am going to find C dash? C dash मुझे कहाँ पे मिलने वाला है? I have already written that C is 30 mm above HP. ठीक है?
Yes.
तो अगर मैं
Hmm.
यहाँ पे जो लाइन है वो 10 mm पे है, आई हैव ऑलरेडी ड्राफ्टेड द लाइन ओवर हियर 10 mm. ठीक है, वैसे ही नीचे भी 10 mm का एक लाइन है.
Okay.
ये जो पहला वाला लाइन है हमें दिख रहा है, उस पर मैं नोट कर देता हूँ. एक तो था हमारा ए डैश एलिवेशन ऑफ ए, दूसरा था पॉइंट ए दैट इज प्लान ऑफ ए. तो सी मुझे कहाँ पे मिलने वाला है? सी डैश बीइंग 30 mm अबव द रेफरेंस. रेफरेंस से 30 mm ऊपर मिलने वाला है, यहाँ कहीं मिलने वाला है 30 mm पे.
Yes.
ओके,
हाँ.
जैसे ये 10 mm पे ए डैश मिला, वैसे सी डैश 30 mm पे कहीं पे मिलेगा.
हाँ.
ओके, हाँ. तो अब वो कहाँ पे है एग्जैक्टली? फ्रॉम वेयर आई कैन फाइंड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन? आई कैन फाइंड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन बाय द थर्ड डेटा विच शुड बी अवेलेबल टू अस. ये हमने अभी तक डिस्कस नहीं किया. व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द थर्ड डेटा? थर्ड डेटा इज गोइंग टू बी द
O-
लेंथ ऑफ लाइन. ठीक है,
Okay.
और एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन of line. But here we are already clear that it is 30 mm above, 30 mm in front. तो 30 mm above, 30 mm in front, उसका हमें specific position already available है. So I'm just dropping that position over here. This is going to be my C point position. Let me take this one. It is going to be C1 dash. ये position already हमारे पास है. कौन सा वाला? 30 mm वाला.
Hmm.
ओके, तो हाँ, अभी जो हमें प्रोजेक्शन मिल रहा है वो प्रोजेक्शन कौन सा रहने वाला है? इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन द 30 mm लाइन which is referring to the position 30 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. ओके,
Okay.
तो ये कंडीशन
हाँ
हमें
सर,
मिल रहा
समझ
है.
में आ गया.
आ गया ना? तो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द इंक्लाइन फॉर्मेशन. दिस इज
हाँ.
गोइंग टू बी ए डैश सी डैश, और वैसे ही 30 mm नीचे एक और लाइन. ये जो डेटा है इसे एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए मुझे एक और लेक्चर चाहिए. ये जो फॉर्मेट है लाइंस वाला फॉर्मेट, as I have already told you कि A है, there are infinite possibilities for same position. हमने आगे डिस्कस किया.
Yes.
ठीक है, पॉइंट ए, जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ कि पॉइंट ए इज 10 mm above HP, 10 mm in front of VP, तो A के इनफाइनाइट पॉसिबिलिटीज है पोजीशन की.
Yes, sir.
ओके, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? वी आर ड्राफ्टिंग अ लाइन ओवर हियर विच इज इंडिकेटिंग इनफाइनाइट पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ पोजीशनिंग ऑफ पॉइंट ए. ठीक है, अब
Yes.
पॉइंट ए को तो दोनों में दिखाना है, वर्टिकल प्लेन, हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन में. वर्टिकल प्लेन में दिखाएंगे तो वो एलिवेशन बनेगा, हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन में दिखाएंगे तो वो प्लान बनेगा. दोनों में दिखाना है. सो व्हाट वी सी,
हाँ.
what
Yes, sir.
what we do exactly, we take position of a dash and we draft a vertical line which is going to indicate point A also. माने elevation decide कर दिया, फिर उस line को हम trace down कर लेते हैं नीचे की ओर, और वो जब भी उसके दूसरे पोजीशन पैरामीटर्स को इंटरसेक्ट करता है वहां पे हमें प्लान मिल जाता है. ठीक है, ये कॉमन है सबके लिए. Whenever any position is indicated, we are always drafting a line for that position. तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं बोलता हूँ पॉइंट ए इज 10 mm अबव एचपी, तो उसके लिए मैं एक लाइन कंस्ट्रक्ट करूंगा. उस लाइन पे जो प्रोजेक्शन मिल रहा है उसे मैं एलिवेशन बोलूंगा, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी ए डैश. इन सिमिलर मैनर, for 10 mm in front of VP, I'll be drafting a whole line which is indicating infinite possibilities of positioning of A. And then what I do, I drop a line from A dash towards that line to get the position of A. Is it clear? सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ, yes sir. Yes.
This is common parameter for all. जब भी हम ड्राफ्ट करेंगे, we'll be going for same criteria. अब नेक्स्ट वाला जो सेशन होने वाला है हमारा, उस सेशन में मैं ये एक्चुअली आपको ड्राफ्ट करके दिखाऊंगा ऑन पेज, हाउ दिस एग्जैक्टली इज गोइंग टू बी प्रेजेंटेड. ओके, अब तक यहाँ पे किसी को डाउट है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Then let me ask.
No sir.
Okay, good. Let me ask one more position to all. ये common है सबके लिए. Whoever after seeing it, I'm saying after seeing it, whoever is comfortable to answer, they can answer. Let me drop details over here. If you are able to understand those details or not, let me refer it. Point A is mm above HP, 10 in front of VP. ये है point A का position. Now let me take another position. Point B is 10 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Okay. ये डेटा कितनों को समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me express that one. Point A is over here. Point B is over here somewhere. ठीक है. Let me note those positions also. This one and this one are going to be same, and this one and this one are going to be different. So can you express something what you can understand from here? This line, let me ask you for certain possibilities. This line is parallel to HPVP, both parallel to HP or parallel to VP or inclined to both. कौन सा possibility आपको सही लगता है?
Only parallel to HP.
Parallel to HP. Someone had said that it is parallel to HP. Who said that?
Me, sir.
Okay. Anyone other? I heard 2 or 3 persons saying that it is parallel to HP. Okay,
Yes,
you are definitely right. Okay, 100% you are right. It is parallel to horizontal plane. How you had identified that it is parallel to horizontal plane? If you can express. जिसने भी आंसर दिया वो एक्सप्रेस करे. आपको कैसे लगा कि वो HP से पैरेलल होगा?
हाँ, क्योंकि दोनों पॉइंट का जो HP से डिस्टेंस है वो सेम है.
Good. Above HP, that distance is same in both. Good. I have written that it is 10 mm above HP. If both are 10 mm above HP, then it is going to be parallel to horizontal plane. And if it is parallel to horizontal plane, the true length of line is going to be available in the top view, in the plane which is parallel to that line. Okay, so this is going to be the true length. अब ये वर्ड भी आपको याद रखना होगा. If I say AB is there, then AB is going to have same length as AB. Now what is that small AB? It is plan of the line what we need to present. Okay, but if I take projection of that one on vertical plane, then that projection is going to be smaller as compared to the line of length AB. ओके, तो इसका जो प्रोजेक्शन है वो हमें स्मॉल मिलने वाला है इसमें एलिवेशन में. अब ये भी आपको सीखना होगा कैसे स्मॉल है कैसे लार्ज है, ये भी मैं कवर करूंगा नेक्स्ट सेशन में. बट हाउ इट एग्जैक्टली इज एक्सप्रेस्ड, लेट मी शो इट टू यू. इसे हम एग्जैक्टली देखेंगे कैसे. So we are going to have the point A dash and A over here, and when we see its projection, then its projection is going to be somewhat aligned in the top view. Okay, so this is going to be the approach. This point is A dash, this point is B dash, this point is small a, this point is small b. Now let us consider the length of line A dash B dash and AB, which is going to be longer one. A dash B dash का लेंथ ज्यादा रहेगा या AB का लेंथ ज्यादा रहेगा?
AB का.
AB का ज्यादा रहेगा. And what is that length? It is true length. किसका ट्रू लेंथ है? जो AB का था वही ट्रू लेंथ AB कैपिटल AB का था वही ट्रू लेंथ यहाँ पे प्लान में प्रेजेंट हो रहा है. So here plan is indicating the true length of the line, not the elevation. Is it clear? समझ में आ रहा है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये भी आप स्क्रीनशॉट कैप्चर करके रखिए, ये भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. आगे जाके इसे प्रैक्टिस करना है, विजुलाइज करना है और सोचना है क्या होता है. ये तो हम सारा डिस्कशन कर रहे थे फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट के लिए. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इफ इट शिफ्ट्स टू सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट? दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट डिस्कशन सेशन फ्रॉम आवर साइड. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड